Hi, Dr. Syed.
Hi.
So, what are exactly fillers and what do they actually do?
So fillers are basically now we do have fillers which are hyaluronic acid gels and they volumize and contour the area of the face where there is a volume deficit. So they are ideally very good for contouring, for rejuvenation and giving a more youthful appearance on face.
Okay. So, is there different types of fillers?
Yes, absolutely. So different companies do have got the filler. So let me tell you that long back it was collagen fillers, silicone
Okay.
fillers, and whatnot. Now what is safest and widely being done in our country also, which is hyaluronic acid fillers.
Okay.
So different companies do have. For example, in Juvederm range you have a long range of fillers like you have Juvederm Ultra, Ultra Plus, you have Voluma, then you have
Okay.
Volox, Volbella. So they have different indications for different areas of the face.
Okay. So, a few areas will be softer, few areas will be harder.
Absolutely.
So, we have fillers for each of those.
Absolutely. So, for example, a filler that's being used for the lips or the under eyes that cannot be used for the chin
Definitely.
or the cheeks and all.
Okay.
So, they have different chemical nature, the concentration of HA gel. There are other, rheology is all different.
Okay.
So, it has to be considered in.
Definitely. So, what is the age group or appropriate age group that a person can go for fillers, as you see?
Ideally, any age group for that matter, absolutely the adults and all, you can start after 2025. In certain cases, in young generation, we need to do fillers if they have any contour issues, like they don't have a proper appropriate proportions on their lips or the cheek is not appropriate. They want little more of enhancing their features.
Okay.
So in young generation, you can use it. But for above 40s, for anti-aging, because what happens, the facial fat pads sag down
sinking.
and there is an atrophy somewhere. So you need to restore those fat pads back and restore the volume and give more youthful look. So it
Okay.
has their an anti-aging properties.
Okay, so how often do we need to repeat these procedures and do we need the same amount that we did in the first session for repetition?
Yes, this is very nice question. Many a times do patients do ask. So the fillers have a life of around 1 to 1.5 years, maximum
Yeah.
2 years.
Okay.
And you need not to repeat it after 2 years. It's not a
Okay.
compulsion. But because they metabolize slowly within the skin and we equally age, they are not something permanent. So you can consider repeating it after 2 years.
Okay.
Yes, you're right. If somebody gets a filler done 5 ml, she may or he may not need 5 ml after 2
Okay.
years. So small touch-ups can
Can
do
be done.
wonderful work here.
Okay, so fillers are a great choice for contouring and restoring the volume in our face, and especially definitely it should be done under great hands and expert hands.
Correct. You're right. See, fillers, as you rightly said, it has to be done with someone who has the expertise of doing the fillers to avoid any possible complications.
Yeah, sure.
But it's a wonderful choice for anti-aging, giving youthful look, contouring, rejuvenating the skin, and makes your skin and your face look more youthful.